And part 2 cut off on me before. There we go. Stockton fireworks. That's some good shots there. Didn't have to go anywhere. Those are my favorite. The baseball field is over there, and they do always have better ones, but we're fortunate enough to get some good ones here right from the balcony.
Those explode and they shine the light. It shows all the drones that are in the sky.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because it flashes right underneath them.
Oh yeah, yeah.
There's a whole bunch of drones up there.
Mm-hmm.
There's a police drone.
Oh yeah. Ooh, my favorite. Yeah. Finally some action. Waited till it got all the way dark.